Okay, so today we're gonna learn how to draw Chinese character or how to write. The basic things we use to build a character is called stroke, and we'll start from there. Here are the 5 keystrokes we can use to write or to build characters. We need to follow the arrows when you write those strokes. It's not right if you go from the other direction. When we write the strokes, we need to follow certain orders and directions. First, from left to right. Second, from top to bottom. Third, from horizontal to vertical. Fourth, we draw outside first, then go to inside to fill in. 5, middle first, then 2 sides. 6, you fill in something, and then you close the frame. So now let's take a look at some examples showing us how to write characters. So the stroke orders, number 1, let's remember we should write from left to right, such as this character. You might remember it. That's the E from our tone sandy part, and that means number 1. And you write it from left to right as a horizontal line. And if you want to write 2, it's also very easy. Just do 2 horizontal lines from left to right. And step 2, or rule number 2, is from top to bottom. So if you see a character like this, you write top to bottom first. And number 3, we will write horizontal strokes first and then vertical. The vertical stroke is also from top to bottom. And this one means hand, 手. And let's remember horizontal first and then vertical. And so with this one, we do the horizontal line first and then this vertical, sort of vertical ones. And this means big, and it's pronounced as 大. And next one is outside strokes first, then we fill in whatever is inside that character. Okay, such as this. If we have an outside frame, we roll that first, and then we have something inside, we fill in. So this one means ask, and is called 问. And next one, we will write middle stroke first before we do the 2 sides, or sometimes it's 1 side. Okay, so just the middle first and then sides, such as this. Middle first, then 2 sides. This one is 小, meaning small. So now we know big and we know small. Very good. And next, when we have a frame thing, we remember first write the frame and then we fill inside. The last step is we need to close it at the end. So if you have a frame-ish thing like here, and then you fill in, whoever lives inside the house, right? And you want to let people inside the house, then last close the door. So we save the closing stroke at the end. And this one is 国, meaning country. So that's it, a little review of stroke orders and directions. First, left to right. And second, top to bottom. Third, horizontal then vertical. 4, outside then inside. 5, middle before 2 sides. Last, let's remember, you let a guest in first, then close the door. All right? Okay, pop quiz for you. First, this character. How do you write it? The first one, remember, is the horizontal line, and then the second one, vertical. So following top to bottom rule, the second horizontal line should be later, the rest. Okay, and this character means up or above. And I think it makes perfect sense. Look, you have the ground here, and then you have something growing out of the ground. And there you point at this. Look, it's above. And this one, We write the first horizontal line here, and then vertical. Last is this, sort of the arrow thing. Ground, something grow underneath, and you are pointing at this area. That means beneath or under. So that's 上, and this is 下. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Do you like our video? Did you learn anything fun?
Be sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest video updates, and be sure to leave your comments below. If you feel like you've learned something from this video, one of the best ways to practice is to go into the Mango course to form new sentences and new thoughts. Click the link on your screen to try it out.